Your body changes after 60, doesn't it? The things you used to do easily now feel a little heavier, a little slower, and sometimes even painful. And the worst part is not the tiredness itself. It's the fear of losing your independence. That quiet worry that one day your legs won't support you the way they used to, or your arms won't have the strength to lift the things you need. But what if one simple nighttime snack could help you unlock stronger muscles, deeper sleep, and better recovery, all while you rest? Because here's the truth many seniors don't know. After 60, your muscles don't repair during the day. They repair at night. Your body uses the dark hours to rebuild damaged fibers, boost protein absorption, and strengthen the areas that have been weakening for years. And the right nighttime snack can make this process dramatically more powerful. Imagine going to bed feeling tired and waking up with legs that feel more stable, joints that feel supported, and muscles that feel just a little more alive. That's what happens when your bedtime routine includes foods that feed your muscles instead of draining them. Most seniors don't even realize they're going to sleep with an empty tank. Low protein, low magnesium, low collagen, and then wonder why the next morning brings stiffness, weak grip, or slow steps. But you don't need protein powders, expensive supplements, or complicated diets. One simple snack before bed, rich in slow-digesting protein and essential minerals, can help your muscles heal throughout the night. Foods like Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, almonds, or even a small serving of chia pudding keep feeding your muscles for hours. These foods break down slowly, releasing amino acids steadily through the night. This prevents muscle breakdown, boosts overnight recovery, and stops the age-related muscle loss that steals strength from so many seniors. Cottage cheese especially is a quiet hero for people over 60. It contains casein protein, the slowest digesting protein in the world, which supports muscle repair for up to 7 to 8 hours. That means your body gets a steady supply of building blocks all night long, exactly when it needs them most. And here's the part seniors love. It doesn't make you feel heavy, bloated, or uncomfortable before bed. It's light, calming, and extremely nourishing. If you add a handful of almonds or walnuts on top, you unlock even more benefits. These nuts are loaded with magnesium, a mineral that helps your muscles relax properly at night. Without magnesium, your muscles stay tense, leading to leg cramps, restless sleep, or that painful early morning stiffness. A tiny handful is enough to support relaxation, nerve health, and muscle strength. And when magnesium works together with slow protein, you wake up feeling less tight and more ready to move. Chia pudding is another powerful option, especially if you prefer plant-based foods. Chia seeds absorb liquid and turn into a gel-like texture that digests very slowly. As they break down, they release omega-3s, protein and fiber that support joints, reduce inflammation, and keep your muscles nourished all night. Many seniors who add chia pudding to their bedtime routine notice smoother movement in the morning and fewer aches in their hips and lower back. The secret is consistency. A bedtime snack like this isn't magic in one night. But over weeks, you start noticing small changes. Climbing stairs feels easier. Standing up from a chair doesn't require that extra push, and your grip strength quietly improves. These little moments add up. They restore your confidence. The confidence that your body is still capable, still strong, still working for you. Because the truth is, you are not losing your muscle health because you're aging. You're losing it because your muscles aren't getting the nighttime nutrition they desperately need. Once you give your body the fuel it has been missing, it starts repairing, rebuilding, and strengthening itself the way it was designed to. So tonight, don't go to bed on an empty stomach. Give your muscles something to work with. Just one small snack, a cup of Greek yogurt, a bowl of cottage cheese, a handful of almonds, or a little chia pudding, can change the way your body feels tomorrow morning. Your legs, your back, your arms, and your joints thank you.